what's going on, guys? In this video, we're going to show you how to create your own link tree inside of ClickFunnels. So what we're going to do is actually, we're using a page that we had in here. You could use any templates. You could start with a brand new blank page. Doesn't really have to be anything. And I'll show you guys how to do that. So we have some stuff on this page, but we're not going to be using it. And I'll show you what we're going to do next. So whatever page you're using for this, again, usually I'll use like a thank you page type inside of ClickFunnels or an opt-in page. It doesn't matter because we're literally just navigating individuals away from that page to different options, like maybe Facebook, maybe your LinkedIn profile, maybe your Facebook group, or things like that, your landing pages and things of that sort. So we're going to go ahead into the editor, and in the editor you'll see these green things, and the green things are big sections, and so they're all over here. So I'm going to go ahead and just delete this one at the top. So yours, if you're starting with a brand new page, you'll notice that you'll have, when you hover around it, you'll see like a big green box, and then inside that you'll see blue boxes, and then inside those you'll see the orange ones, which are elements. So what we're going to do right now is actually kind of get rid of some of these in here. Remove this one. I'm going to add a new element, and we're going to add an image. And then what I'm going to do right here in the settings for the image is I'm going to go to advanced settings, and for the radius, I'm going to actually do circle, and we're not going to do a border, and you could do like a shadow or something if you want it to pop, but we're just going to leave it at none. We're going to center align it right here, full visibility, full color. And then, so what we're going to do is just go ahead and add an image. So just go to this little icon right here, which will open your image library, and you'll be able to select the image that you want to use in here. And then as you can see, it's gigantic, so you're going to want to size it down, and you could do that by using the image width option right here. So you could set it to whatever you want. So say you want it at like 200. I'm just going to leave it at 100. And then underneath that, what you can do is add another element. And these are going to be the buttons. So it's the same thing as Linktree. So all you have to do is add button and then add another button. So instead of going and add, you could just clone the buttons like this. And then everything else in here. So say you want this to be maybe like your logo, like you have a little more customization than just Linktree right off the bat. We're going to go ahead and just add some stuff, and then we're going to go ahead and match these. So we're going to match the color. So I just want to grab the color so you guys could see how, if you wanted to match colors throughout your Linktree, you could do that. So I'm going to go ahead and change these buttons to the same color, and you can do that right here, just like so. And then when you're changing the buttons, you set the actions for them. So they're going to go to different website URLs. You could open in a new tab window, and then this one for me, for example, is going to go to girlbosslaunch.com. All right, and then what you could do here is change the button text. So I'm going to go ahead and change the button text real quick. Now to simplify this process, you know how I just made this button happen? What you can do is actually just go ahead and clone this button, so now they're all pink, and then all these other ones that I kind of have right here, I'm going to remove them. I'm going to get rid of this stuff right here. So once you've gone in and you played around with the buttons, so for example, all I did was add an element, which is just a random title one. So this one, it says webinar title, but it honestly just, that was based on what page it was on, but all it would be is just a headline element, just like this. And then you would change the font on it and the color as you want. Now, additionally to that, all I did was add an image. And then for that image, I went to advanced settings and I made it a circle, and I aligned it in the center. And that's all I did for this option right here. And then in the settings, I uploaded the image. And then since the image came out really, really big on this page, all I had to do was go ahead and set the image width to 100 or however it is displayed on your end. So you might want to do like 200 or something, depending on how big you want the image to look on your page. Now, the next thing I did was add another, this is just a paragraph, so you could add a paragraph and add whatever you want on there. I mean, you don't have to, this is just extra, or you could add an element and just add a subheadline if you wanted to display your name or something like that. Then all I did was make a button. I then cloned the button so it had the same look to it, same color. And then I went ahead and I labeled all my buttons with where those links were going to be leading them. So as you can see, I have a button that leads individuals that go to our store to shop for apparel. We also have a Facebook community with free trainings. So go ahead and click on this and join the Facebook community. They could go ahead and watch videos in our YouTube channel by going to this link right here, and they could watch a free masterclass that we offer by clicking on this. So if you look at the mobile view right here, You can see that it's just like Linktree, but it's created within ClickFunnels, so you don't have to go outside of ClickFunnels, and you have more customization right here. Again, and what you can do is also track these links with, like, say, Bitly. So if you were to use Bitly to mask these, then you could track the clicks on those links as well. So it just gives you a little bit more of an option, since Linktree has two kind of different types of accounts. So again, if you wanted to build your Linktree inside of ClickFunnels, you can do that right off the bat. It's super simple. All it is a section, and then in the section there's this blue row, and then inside the row is just a few elements. So hopefully this helps, and we'll see you guys on the next video.